Good morning, viewers. My name is Anthony Kagiri from Kenya School of Vet. I'm here to take you through various tools, which are hand tools, because we have other tools which are being fixed in the machine. And to start with, this is the tools. To start with, I'm going to start with the level. This is what we call a spirit level. We have a mercury, and it is used to measure the levelness of the surfaces of either the workpiece or the machine. So I have a vernier caliper. This is the vernier caliper, which have the two scales, the vernier scale, also the main scale. It's used to measure the internal diameter. It's used to measure the internal diameter and measure the internal diameter of this workpiece. You can also measure the external diameter this way. You can also measure the depth using this protruding measuring thing here. We also have the puller. This is the puller. The puller helps us to pull the bearings where you cannot be able to use maybe the normal pullers. We have the box spanner. It's used or it helps us to be able to adjust the nuts or to open and to close. So we have the lathe tools. These are the lathe cutters, and the cutters are being fixed in this position here, you can see. So this is a facing tool. We also have what we call a grooving tool, and we also have, this is a tool pallet or a tool holder. So the tool is being fixed here, so you can see. I have the screwdriver with me here. These are all flat screwdrivers, and they are used to drive in the screws. I have the tape measure with me to help us to make or to read the measurements. I have the long nose pliers to help us to be able to remove maybe some wires or some screws as well. I have a ball peen hammer. I have the tab that help us to make the external threads. This is an adjustable spanner. It's all-in-one spanner. You can be able to adjust the level that you want for opening and tightening the screw, the nuts. This is the tin snip. Tin snip, it is purposely for metal or sheet work, for trimming or for trimming the tools, for trimming the sheets. We have mentioned about the ball peen hammer. It's another one. We have the files. The file helps us to smoothen the surfaces. Like after finishing our workpiece, you can be able to smoothen using the file. We have the chisel. This is the chisel. It is used to also for cutting the metal sheet using the hammer and the chisel. This is the hacksaw, a complete hacksaw with the blade. It is used to cut the light metal rods, because we have the longer, the heavy metal. You normally use power hacksaw, but this is used for cutting the lighter metal. So we have a bunch of spanners. You have a bunch of spanners, all the way from the smallest spanner and to the largest spanner. We have a wire brush. The wire brush is used to smoothen or to remove the chaff, maybe in the machine or also in the workpiece. We have a dial gauge. This is a dial gauge with the gauge here, which is reflective. It's used to measure the levelness or the centrality of the workpiece. We have an oil can. An oil can is used to help us to apply oil to the machine so that it can be able to run smoothly. Where you have a moving part, you can be able to apply oil using an oil can. These are the bits. These are the bits, and these bits they are arranged with the number. Like I'm holding a bit of 10 mm. So this is also help us to do the boring and to do the boring of some holes in the metal sheet. So I think that's all for now for these tools. And thank you very much, and welcome next time. Thank you very much.